वन लाइनर्स। 1. भारतीय संविधान में मूल रूप से कितने मूल अधिकार थे और 44वें संशोधन ने क्या बदलाव किया? How many fundamental rights did India's constitution originally have and what change did the 44th Amendment make? Answer. Originally 7 fundamental rights, 44th Amendment removed right to property Article 31 from fundamental rights and converted it to a legal right under Article 300A, leaving 6 fundamental rights. 2. संघ सूची, राज्य सूची और समवर्ती सूची में कितने कितने विषय हैं? How many subjects are in the Union list, State list, and concurrent list? Answer. Union list 100 subjects, State list 61 subjects, concurrent list 52 subjects. 3. आपराधिक कानून criminal law किस सूची के अंतर्गत आता है? Under which list does criminal law fall? Answer. Concurrent list, not exclusively under the Union list. 4. राष्ट्रपति का चुनाव किस निर्वाचक मंडल द्वारा होता है? By which electoral college is the president elected? Answer. Indirectly by elected members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislatures, and elected members from Delhi, Jammu और कश्मीर, and Puducherry. 5. मनी बिल और फाइनेंस बिल में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between a money bill and a finance bill? Answer. Money bills and finance bill I can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. Finance bill too can be introduced in either house. Speaker decides under Article 110 Money Bill and Article 117 Finance Bill. 6. राज्य सरकारों में मनी बिल किस अनुच्छेद से संचालित होते हैं? Under which article are money bills governed in state governments? Answer. Article 199. 7. भारतीय दंड संहिता का नाम बदलकर क्या रखा गया है? What has the Indian Penal Code been renamed to? Answer. भारतीय न्याय संहिता. 8. अनुच्छेद 268 किससे संबंधित है और स्टाम्प ड्यूटी का राजस्व कहाँ जाता है? What is Article 268 related to and where does the stamp duty revenue go? Answer. Stamp duty, a tax on property purchases levied by the union but collected by state governments. Revenue goes to the central government. 9. देवनागरी और गुरुमुखी क्या हैं? What are Devanagari and Gurmukhi? Answer. Devanagari a script lipi, not a language. Gurmukhi a script in which Punjabi language is written. 10. अनुच्छेद 343 किससे संबंधित है? What is Article 343 related to? Answer. Designates Hindi language in Devanagari script as an official language of the Union. 11. अंतरराज्यीय जल विवाद किस अनुच्छेद के तहत और किसके द्वारा सुलझाए जाते हैं? Under which article and by whom are interstate water disputes resolved? Answer. Article 262, resolved through a water disputes tribunal with Supreme Court review restricted e.g. Kaveri river disputes between Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. 12. अंतरराज्यीय परिषद इंटरस्टेट काउंसिल किस अनुच्छेद के तहत है और इसका अध्यक्ष कौन होता है? Under which article is the Interstate Council and who is its chairperson? Answer. Article 263, permanent constitutional body appointed by President, Prime Minister serves as chairperson. 13. राज्यपाल की नियुक्ति कौन करता है और शपथ कौन दिलाता है? Who appoints the governor and who administers the oath? Answer. Appointed by President, sworn in by Chief Justice of the High Court. 14. गौतम बुद्ध ने पहला उपदेश कहाँ और किस भाषा में दिया और इस घटना को क्या कहते हैं? Where and in which language did Gautam Buddha deliver his first sermon and what is this event called? Answer. Sarnath, Pali language, called Dharmachakra Parivartana, turning of the wheel of dharma. 15. सारनाथ को यूनेस्को विश्व धरोहर का दर्जा कब और किस अधिवेशन में मिला और यह कहाँ स्थित है? When and at which session did Sarnath receive UNESCO World Heritage status and where is it located? Answer. July 25, 2024 India's 45th UNESCO Heritage Site, during UNESCO's 48th session in Pusan, located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. 16. सारनाथ में कौन कौन से प्रमुख स्मारक हैं? What are the major monuments at Sarnath? Answer. Dhamek Stupa, Ashoka Pillar, and a museum. 17. चंदूदारो प्राचीन भारत में किस लिए प्रसिद्ध था और यह कहाँ स्थित है? What was Chandraro famous for in ancient India and where is it located? Answer: primarily an industrial bead-making hub, located in Pakistan. 18. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के 4 प्रमुख स्थल कौन कौन से हैं? What are the 4 major sites of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer: Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholiviera, and Chandraro. 19. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता में अमीर और सामान्य लोगों के रहने की व्यवस्था कैसी थी? How was the living arrangement for wealthy and common people in the Indus Valley civilization? Answer: wealthy people lived in elevated citadel for flood protection, common people lived in the lower town. 20. गांधी जी की पहली भूख हड़ताल कब और किस आंदोलन में हुई और इसका क्या परिणाम हुआ? When and in which movement did Gandhi's first hunger strike occur and what was its result? Answer: 1918 during the Ahmedabad mill strike. He sided with workers who lost their plague bonus and secured a 35% salary increase. 21. बौद्ध धर्म किन 2 प्रमुख संप्रदायों में विभाजित हुआ? Into which 2 major sects did Buddhism split? Answer: Hinayana and Mahayana. 22. ऋग्वेद के बारे में प्रमुख तथ्य बताइए. What are the key facts about the Rigveda? Answer: divided into 10 mandals, books, contains 1028 hymns, sutras, best described as a collection of classical music. 23. CRPF के वर्तमान डायरेक्टर जनरल कौन हैं और वे किस बैच के IPS अधिकारी हैं? Who is the current Director General of CRPF and which batch IPS officer are they? Answer: Gyanendra Pratap Singh, 1991 batch IPS officer from Assam, Meghalaya, Kadra. 24. भारत का पहला ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन हब कहाँ लॉन्च किया गया? Where was India's first green hydrogen hub launched? Answer: Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh as part of the Green Hydrogen Mission. 25. नाडा की स्थापना कब और किस मंत्रालय के तहत हुई? When was NADA established and under which ministry? Answer: November 2005, under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. 26. नाडा का क्या कार्य है? What is the function of NADA? Answer: prevents athletes from using performance-enhancing drugs, National Anti-Doping Agency. 27. सुभाष चंद्र बोस आपदा प्रबंधन पुरस्कार 2025 किलोसेकंड मिला. Who received the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025? Answer: Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services INCOIS. 28. भारत ने खो खो विश्व कप में क्या उपलब्धि हासिल की? What achievement did India make in the Kho-Kho World Cup? Answer: India won both men's and women's Kho-Kho World Cup trophies, defeating Nepal's teams in both categories. 29. Ordnance Factory अंबाझरी ने किस देश को क्या आपूर्ति की? What did Ordnance Factory Ambazari supply and to which country? Answer: supplied 4,500 army uniforms to Suriname, South America. 30. इक्वाडोर का नाम एक्वाडोर क्यों पड़ा? Why is Ecuador named Ecuador? Answer: because it is located exactly on the equator line. 31. लिक्विड प्रोपल्शन सिस्टम्स सेंटर के डायरेक्टर कौन नियुक्त हुए? Who was appointed as director of the Liquid Propulsion Systems Center? Answer: M. Mohan. 32. संघ सूची में कौन से प्रमुख विषय आते हैं? Which major subjects are in the Union list? Answer: Defense and Foreign Affairs, National Matters. 33. राज्य सूची में कौन से प्रमुख विषय आते हैं? Which major subjects are in the state list? Answer: Police and Agriculture. 34. अनुच्छेद 301 किससे संबंधित है? What is Article 300A related to? Answer: Right to property is a legal right after it was removed from fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment. 35. स्टाम्प ड्यूटी किस सरकार द्वारा लगाई जाती है और किस सरकार द्वारा वसूली जाती है? By which government is stamp duty levied and by which government is it collected? Answer: levied by union government, collected by state governments. 36. INCOIS क्या है? What is INCOIS? Answer: Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. 37. धर्मचक्र परिवर्तन का क्या अर्थ है? What does Dharmachakra Parivartana mean? Answer: turning of the wheel of dharma refers to Buddha's first sermon at Sarnath. 38. बौद्ध धर्म में हीनयान और महायान में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between Hinayana and Mahayana in Buddhism? Answer. Two major sects of Buddhism that split after Buddha's time. Hinayana is the older conservative form while Mahayana is the more liberal form with broader appeal. 39. भारत के संविधान में वर्तमान में कितने मूल अधिकार हैं? How many fundamental rights are there in India's constitution currently? Answer. 6 fundamental rights after right to property was removed. 40. अंतरराज्यीय परिषद और अंतरराज्यीय जल विवाद न्यायाधिकरण में क्या अंतर है? What is the difference between the Interstate Council and Interstate Water Disputes Tribunal? Answer. Interstate Council Article 263 Permanent Constitutional Body chaired by Prime Minister for General Interstate Matters. Water Disputes Tribunal Article 262 specifically for interstate water disputes with Supreme Court review restricted. The 24th of August 2026 Current Affairs. 1. दिग्गज अभिनेत्री सौकार जानकी को वर्ष 2022 में पद्म श्री से सम्मानित किया गया था. Veteran actress Sokar Janaki was awarded the Padma Shri in 2022. 2. शिक्षा मंत्रालय द्वारा राष्ट्रीय शिक्षक पुरस्कार 2026 के लिए 48 स्कूली शिक्षकों का चयन किया गया. The Ministry of Education selected 48 school teachers for the National Teachers Award 2026. 3. अगस्त 2026 में भारतीय थल सेना प्रमुख जनरल धीरज सेठ को नेपाल द्वारा जनरल की मानद उपाधि से सम्मानित किया गया. Indian Army Chief General Dheeraj Seth was conferred the honorary rank of General by Nepal in August 2026. 4. प्रसिद्ध गायिका नंदा मालिनी श्रीलंका से संबंधित थीं. Veteran singer Nanda Malini belonged to Sri Lanka. 5. ग्लोबल चेस लीग के चौथे संस्करण का आयोजन बेंगलुरु में किया जाएगा. The fourth edition of the Global Chess League will be hosted in Bengaluru. 6. 14वीं ब्रिक्स विज्ञान, प्रौद्योगिकी और नवाचार मंत्र स्तरीय बैठक की मेजबानी चेन्नई ने की. Chennai hosted the 14th BRICS Science, Technology and Innovation Ministerial Meeting. 7. उल्ची फ्रीडम शील्ड संयुक्त राज्य अमेरिका और दक्षिण कोरिया के बीच आयोजित होने वाला वार्षिक संयुक्त सैन्य अभ्यास है. Ulchi Freedom Shield is an annual joint military exercise conducted between the United States and South Korea. 8. 17वीं शताब्दी की ऐतिहासिक भूमिगत जल प्रणाली कुंडी भंडारा मध्य प्रदेश के बुरहानपुर में स्थित है. The 17th century historical underground water system Kundi Bhandara is located in Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh. 9. अगस्त 2026 में राजस्थान विधानसभा में समान नागरिक संहिता (UCC) विधेयक पेश किया गया. The Uniform Civil Code (UCC) bill was tabled in the Rajasthan Assembly in August 2026. 10. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सिविल जज जूनियर डिवीजन भर्ती परीक्षा के लिए अनिवार्य वकालत अनुभव की अवधि घटाकर 1 वर्ष कर दी. The Supreme Court reduced the mandatory bar practice requirement for civil judge junior division examinations to 1 year. 11. काजल ढोक ने 2026 अंडर 20 विश्व कुश्ती चैंपियनशिप में महिलाओं के 76 किग्रा वर्ग का लगातार दूसरा खिताब जीता. Kajal Dhochak won her second consecutive title in the women's 76 kg category at the 2026 UBS World Wrestling Championships. 12. जो रूट ने टेस्ट क्रिकेट इतिहास में सर्वाधिक कैच लेने का रिकॉर्ड बनाया. जो रूट set the record for taking the most catches in the history of Test cricket. 13. महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा लिमिटेड ने पीएम इंटर्नशिप स्कीम इंडस्ट्री अवार्ड्स 2026 में ओवरऑल इंडस्ट्री चैंपियन पुरस्कार जीता. महिंद्रा और महिंद्रा लिमिटेड won the overall industry champion award at the PM Internship Scheme Industry Awards 2026. 14. सौमेधु बागची को स्विट्जरलैंड में भारत का नया राजदूत नियुक्त किया गया है. Sumendu Bagchi has been appointed as India's new ambassador to Switzerland. 15. महिलाओं को डिजिटल रूप से सशक्त बनाने के लिए यशोदायाय पहल शुरू की गई है. The Yashodayai initiative has been launched to digitally empower women. Previous question answer. India recently handed over its third anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft ASWSWC Mangrol to the Indian Navy. It was built by which shipyard? Answer: C. Kochi Shipyard Limited CSL Kochi. Mangrol. The third anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft ASWSWC was handed over to the Indian Navy on August 21, 2026 by Kochi Shipyard Limited, CSL Kochi. The vessel has more than 80% indigenous content. Question of day. The 62,500 crore rupees mobile phone manufacturing scheme was notified by which ministry on August 21, 2026? A. Ministry of Commerce or Industry. B. Ministry of Electronics or Information Technology MeitY. C. Ministry of Heavy Industries. D. Ministry of Science or Technology. Thank you. Subscribe Muskan Study Material for daily current affairs and GKGS.